right, so at the end of last month here, this couple comes home in their Redding, California, to their Redding, California home, and they found a shit ton of birds in their house,
Yeah.
like ridiculous amount, like a horror movie amount, and shit everywhere. I guess they got in through the through the chimney. There's just like literally like a home full of birds and bird shit.
They shit on that picture of that little girl and gave her a beard. It was like perfectly lined up. She had a bird shit beard.
Man, dude, she had a bird shit eyebrow. She had a bird shit everything. This whole thing was just literally, this whole house is just full with shit to like the, I don't know, like appraisal. Whoever the hell's coming in to like fix it was just like,
What did they leave open?
what? No, it came in through the chimney.
Oh, okay.
So you guys know those little cages at the top of your chimney?
Yeah.
Very important.
Or close the flue.
Yeah, right.
Because then they would have only been able to get in so far.
Yeah.
Right, and then they would have turned around.
Right.
But it looked like there was drapes made of birds and shit in this house.
Yeah.
Shit was disgusting. And I don't know. It was a
How do you
beautiful
get 'em out?
home. Oh, vacuum? No, I have no idea. The guy said, I was like watching the interview with him for a minute. He was like, I was just grabbing handfuls of birds and like throwing them outside.
Wow.
Like, holy shit. He goes, it was crazy. And at first I was like, oh, that's not really that remarkable. And then I started looking and I was like, oh, where are they shit? And then I saw the beard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
He's lucky, like, no one found out that they were, like, an endangered species of bird or something that you can't remove.
Yeah.
You know, like, and he's just like, fuck, I gotta live with these 1,500 birds in here.
They're all in his house.
Yeah.
Every single one of them.
Yeah, his
Can't
house
touch
is
'em.
just like a sanctuary now for that bird.
Oh, no. Yeah, so that happened.
Yeah.
Pretty shitty.
Yeah, real
It really
shitty.
was. I can't even help it. I didn't do that on purpose. So dumb.